Hello everyone, in this lecture the topic, tip of the tongue, is explained in detail with understandable examples, but if you are new to my channel then please like and subscribe the channel. It can be defined as: tip of the tongue is a phenomenon in which a person knows a word but cannot recall it at the moment. What does it mean? Simply, it means that tip of the tongue is a phenomenon where you fail to retrieve a word or term from your memory, even though you know that what you try to say. As we all sometimes know the word that we are trying to say but it does not come to our tip of the tongue, so this is simply called tip of the tongue. Basically, there are many reasons behind this phenomenon. That is why a word cannot come to our tip of our tongue when we try to say it. So one of the reasons is interference. By interference it means, sometimes other words that are similar in sound or meaning can block the retrieval of the target word. Simply you can say, sometimes we want to say a word but there's so many words that are similar to it in sounds or shape, so because of their interference this can happen. Encoding failure. By encoding failure it means that sometimes, the word was not encoded well enough in your memory in the first place. This could be because you did not pay enough attention to it, or you did not use it frequently enough. For example, if you learned a new word in a foreign language but did not practice it, you might have trouble recalling it later. So, this is also one of the main reasons. Retrieval failure. This is also one of the reasons that sometimes the word is stored in your memory but you cannot access it due to a lack of cues or triggers. For example, if you are trying to remember the name of an actor but you cannot picture their face or recall any of their movies, you might have a retrieval failure. So this is called retrieval failure. Aging. It is also one of the factors that as people get older, they tend to experience more problem. Basically, this could be because of changes in the brain that affect memory and language processing. For example, older adults might have slower retrieval speed, reduced working memory capacity, or more interference from other words. Well, you should not be confused if someone asks you the question that what a tip of tongue is in linguistics. So, you should simply answer when we want to call someone or something a name and the name cannot come to the tip of our tongue is called tip of the tongue. I hope you have enjoyed this lecture but please don't forget like and subscription to the channel. Thank you.